Siyempre, we're to satisfied sa team namin kasi just play lang nung second half eh. Yung style of basketball, nung second half lang kami naglaro. So, marami pa rin kailangan namin trabahuhin. So, we need to correct ourselves pa rin. Number one kasi, okay yung intention ng mga players. At yung approach, yung doon kami nag-correct eh. So, just like ng first half, we're too aggressive. So, help kami ng help. No, yun lang, we just correct na we just stay disciplined on our defense. Then sa offense namin, yung find the right people or right spot para kung saan kami atake talaga. Wala naman, yun nga, sinabi ko lang, magpahinga na sila to recover yung body. And we'll see kung ano mangyari tomorrow. Both team are stronger team ko. Both team are contenders talaga dito and then sa UAP. Whoever wins, kahit sino naman, ang kailangan lang namin ayusin muna yung sarili namin. Just like today's game, we correct ourselves talaga. We don't care kung anong ginagawa ng kalaban namin. So maybe doon ulit kami big start tomorrow para at least maging favor ulit sa amin.